Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Red Alert 2 as a beginner. First, let's cover the basics of this classic real-time strategy game. Your main goal is to construct a powerful base, gather essential resources, and then strategically eliminate all enemy forces. You'll need to quickly learn how to manage your economy and control your units to achieve victory. We'll also touch upon the unique characteristics of the two main factions, the Allies and the Soviets, each offering distinct playstyles and units. Efficient resource management is crucial for success in Red Alert 2. Start by deploying your construction yard right away to establish your base. Next, build refineries on ore fields to continuously gather funds, which are your primary resource. Remember to construct enough power plants to keep your base operational. A power shortage can cripple your production. Finally, don't forget to set up some basic defenses, like a few Tesla coils or pillboxes, to protect your initial expansion. Mastering unit control is key to winning battles. You can select multiple units by dragging a box over them, or by double-clicking a unit to select all of its type on screen. Utilize hotkeys to quickly build units and assign them to control groups for rapid deployment. Always consider unit matchups. For example, tanks are strong against buildings, but vulnerable to anti-tank infantry. Focus your attacks on critical enemy targets, like their power plants or production facilities, to gain an edge. Red Alert 2 features two distinct factions, the Allies and the Soviets. The Allies often favor defensive strategies and possess strong air units, like the Harrier. The Soviets, on the other hand, are known for their robust tanks and aggressive ground pushes, such as the Rhino tank. In the early game, always scout to find your opponent's base and identify their resource locations. Aim for a balanced approach, ensuring you have both a steady income and a growing military to counter any threats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.